Today we repaired the drive of the ABB cabinet. The customer reported abnormal robot movement. Intermittent jamming may occur. First, test the drive board. Replace the part properly, and then perform wiring and testing. Connect to the robot body. Wait for the teach pendant to power on. The indicator lights in the control cabinet are flashing normally. The teach pendant also displays normal operation. We observe that the robot body has started moving. The movement is smooth, with no jamming observed. Repair completed. Regarding repairs, feel free to send us a private message for inquiries.